Corsair F4U, Jürgen Schönle, Corsair Maßstab 1:4. Die Luftschraube hat einen Durchmesser von über 1 Meter. Natürlich Scale, 4-Blatt-Propeller drauf. Wollen wir die Kiste mal anwerfen? Ein Trägerflugzeug der US Navy. Positionsleuchten, da ist alles dran. Das Fahrwerk dreht sich beim Einfahren 90 Grad. So, jetzt achten Sie mal auf die Tragflächen. Es ist ein Trägerflugzeug. Auf dem Flugzeugträger ist wenig Platz, vor allem im Fahrstuhl oder im Lastenaufzug. Deshalb faltet das Flugzeug die Flügel an. Platzsparend kann es jetzt unter Deck verstaut werden. Vielen Dank, Jürgen Schönle mit der Corsair. So, und jetzt dürfen alle nochmal Spaß haben, die einen Wechsel dabei haben. Letzter Programmpunkt. Da zeigen wir nochmal, wie viel Spaß macht.
Das war jetzt mehr Applaus, als wenn offizielle Show ist.
So Jürgen, can you give me some details about your Corsair? First, should ask what scale it is, I guess. You know what scale it is? It is 6th scale or 5th scale or?
Quarter scale.
It's quarter scale?
Yeah.
So it's big.
3.10 wingspan.
Yeah.
The weight is 4 kilograms.
4 kilos, which
This is the flight battery.
I mean, that is low. I've had 40% models that are 3 meter wingspan that weigh 20 kg. So
yeah.
You said this is 4 kg?
Yes, exactly.
Crazy, right.
The propeller has a diameter of 42 inch,
Yeah.
25 inch pitch.
And what is that prop actually made of?
Balsa wood
Yeah,
and
balsa.
carbon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With a gearbox from a helicopter.
Gear down.
Yeah.
Okay. And all the internal structures, like the ribs and the spars, formers, I mean, they're all made from foam as well, I would guess, right?
3mm foam.
3mm depron, right?
And the skin is 0.6mm depron.
Okay, so super thin material, super
Exactly,
light.
yeah.
Okay, and how many lipo? Are you holding the lipo there?
3S.
It runs off that lipo.
Yes.
That runs off that small lipo.
Yeah.
And what's that? It's a 3-cell 2600.
And you can fly 10 minutes.
That's crazy.
Maybe.
and it's got folding wing.
Yeah.
And it's got the RETRACTS as well.
Yeah, and the lights. And 16 servos.
And what are how many servos?
16.
16 servos.
Yeah.
And what size servos are they?
Between
Big high torque
9
digital.
gram and 15 grams.
9 gram and 15 grams.
Yeah.
So all small stuff in a big quarter scale model.
Exactly.
Fantastic. Thanks very much for sharing that.
Thank you very much.
I would have come all the way to Leipzig just to see the 2 models I've seen fly already.
Flight for the day.
Yeah, brilliant. Thanks very much for your time. Cheers.